Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to create this video for you because you're having problems with the query, and queries are not going anywhere, they're going to stay. So the query for this week, we were supposed to show all the students that graduated in fall 2018. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Create, I'm going to go to Query Wizard, I'm going to do a simple query. I'm going to go OK. And I'm going to add everything in there. And I'm going to hit Next. Details show every field. Okay. We're going to hit Next. And I'm going to modify the query design because I only want to show the fall 2018. So I'm going to hit Modify, and I'm going to hit Finish. So what happens then, it opens in Design View so I can modify. And so under the term attended, see this criteria row, we're going to go all the way over, and we're going to hit fall 2018. Now I'm going to hit Run. Now your query only shows the people that graduated in fall 2018. So if you would like to earn some more points, please resubmit your assignment. You could run the query again and email it to me. Thank you.